Every second, millions of cups of instant coffee are enjoyed worldwide. But how does a coffee cherry become the powder that dissolves in seconds? Let's follow its complete journey, from the farm to your cup.
Hay muchas cerezas por aquí. Sí, esta temporada es buena.
Keep stacking them. Just a few more to go.
The journey begins here. The outer fruit is removed, revealing the coffee bean for the very first time. The bean still has a sticky coating, so it's naturally fermented before being thoroughly washed.
Keep scooping. I need one more shovel. Watch the side. Okay, got it.
Another protective layer is removed, leaving behind the green coffee bean, the foundation of every cup of instant coffee. Not every bean qualifies. Optical sorters inspect thousands every second, removing even the smallest defects.
Keep them coming. Got it. Watch your back. Clear.
Roasting is where coffee develops its rich color, aroma, and signature flavor. The aroma released during grinding is captured and saved instead of being lost. Hot water extracts the rich soluble compounds that give coffee its distinctive taste. Vacuum evaporation gently removes excess water while protecting the coffee's flavor. The captured aroma is blended back into the coffee, restoring its fresh fragrance.
Line 1 production is stable. Verify the temperature on drying tower 3. Looks good. Proceed to next phase.
The concentrated coffee is sprayed into tiny droplets, which instantly dry into fine coffee particles. These tiny particles are combined into larger granules, so the coffee dissolves more easily. Freeze drying removes ice directly as vapor, helping preserve more natural flavor and aroma. Every batch is carefully tested to ensure consistent quality, purity,
Approved.
and taste.
Good. Verified.
AI-powered cameras inspect every package, catching defects that might otherwise go unnoticed.
Pallet secured.
Let's load the next.
Doors are good to go.
From a mountain-grown coffee cherry to instant coffee enjoyed around the world, this remarkable journey is finally complete.